I put on gloves.
I put on gloves.
I open the window.
I open the window.
I pick up the trash.
I pick up the trash.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I mop the floor.
I mop the floor.
I wipe the table.
I wipe the table.
I clean the counter.
I clean the counter.
I dust the shelves.
I dust the shelves.
I clean the mirror.
I clean the mirror.
I wash the windows.
I wash the windows.
I scrub the sink.
I scrub the sink.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I rinse the dishes.
I rinse the dishes.
I close the window.
I close the window.
I dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I clean the stove.
I clean the stove.
I clean the fridge.
I clean the fridge.
I organize the room.
I organize the room.
I put things away.
I put things away.
I arrange the chairs.
I arrange the chairs.
I wipe the door handle.
I wipe the door handle.
I spray air freshener.
I spray air freshener.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I finish cleaning.
I finish cleaning.
Great job. Speak English every day. Practice a little. Improve a lot. Learn English with fun. Follow the channel for more easy English.